Python custom steps let you bring your own custom functions into SoundCheck without needing any LabVIEW programming knowledge. Let me show you how. I'm going to assume you already have the optional Python custom step module, that is part number 2042, installed, and that you have already installed and configured Python with SoundCheck on your computer, following the instructions in the SoundCheck user manual. For this demo, I'm just going to create a very basic equation so that you can see easily how we are handling the inputs and outputs. But the same principles apply whatever calculations you are working with. Here, I have a simple Python script I wrote called square a value, which will make SoundCheck take the data values that you input and square them. There is an editor configuration section which shows you how to define inputs and outputs and any parameters. In this case, I have a value in which is coming from SoundCheck, which will be processed by this step. It is just taking the value in the y data of the value in, multiplying it by itself, and then pushing it out as value out. Now let's see how this works inside SoundCheck. I'll create a new sequence. Let me create a new custom step by right-clicking on Custom, then New, name the step Square a Value. After entering the name, I'll change the custom step type to Python and set the script path to my Square a Value script that I just showed you. This Square a Value step now appears under Custom, and I can drag this into my SoundCheck sequence. Once this has been added to the sequence, I can also right-click, Configure Script to change my script path. Now I'll create an operator numeric step above the step, which will ask the user to enter a value. I'll call this original value, and I'm going to set the default value as 5. You will see the original value is in the memory list, and if I apply the step, the original value is populated on the y-axis with a value of 5. Now, I'll open my custom Python step. We can see the step editor window, and you can see the value in and value out parameters. The value in has been auto-selected, but this can be changed if you have multiple input variables. Now I'll set my memory list name for the value out as squared number. This sends the value in parameter, my original value from SoundCheck to the Python script we made earlier. The script now multiplies that value by itself and outputs the result as value out, which comes back into SoundCheck as a squared number. Let's run the sequence. We have our original value of 5 and the result, our squared number as 25. This is a very simple example, but it is easily extended to more complex calculations or configured with an existing Python library of custom calculations. Check out the SoundCheck manual for more information.